Hi dear students, hope you all are fine and doing well. And today our topic is logical Venn diagrams. Logical Venn diagrams. See, these logical Venn diagrams are always represented with circles. With circles. Remember that these diagrams are represented with circles. First of all, we have to identify the relationship between the given words or among the given words. If there are only two words, we will call between relation, or more than two, we will call them as among relation. So most probably for Sainik entrance exam, you will be having three words. So those three words must be represented in circles. Now, see, for example, the first question, remember the topic name, logical Venn diagram. Now, let's see the first question. See, in this question, you will be having three words. One is brothers, and another one is fathers. The last one is males. So, three words, or we can call it as three entities, or three classes, three characteristics, or anything we can call. See, three words. See, brothers, fathers, and males. First of all, we have to identify the relation among these three. See, is there any relation, brothers, fathers, and males? Any relation? See, all brothers and all fathers comes under a category called male. Yes or no? All brothers, males only. All fathers, male only. Right? Now, so that means these two characters are inside males. That means, see, you have to represent males with a huge circle. Let's take a huge circle. So, this is male. Let it be male. Okay. Now, brothers and fathers. Is there any relationship between brothers and fathers? Yes. See, a person can be a father to his son, can be a brother to his sister or brother. Yes, holding two characters. See here, once again I am repeating, a person, a male can be a father and can be a brother. So that's why there is an interlink between these two characters. So that's why we have to add these two circles. So one circle is brother and another circle is father. Clear? Do you understand? So this one is the Venn diagram of these three words. That means these three words we have represented in Venn diagrams in three circles. See, outer circle represents male and the inner circle represents one is brothers and another one is fathers. So the total these three words are represented in a single diagram. In your question, along with these words, you will be having four options. That means four diagrams. You have to select one perfect Venn diagram among the four options. Okay. Now, see the next one. Hope you all are clear. Now, see here. Cars, bicycles and vehicles. Cars, bicycles and vehicles. Is there any relationship among these three? Again, see, all cars comes under vehicles. All bicycles also comes under vehicles. That means the outer circle is vehicle. The outer circle is vehicle. Vehicles. Okay. Now, see the rest of the two, cars and bicycles. Is there any relationship between cars and bicycles? Any interlink? No, nothing. No interlink. So, complete car is a different and bicycle is different. So, car and bicycle. But both are comes under a category called vehicles. So, this is the diagram. Clear? See, the first one, the diagram is different. Both the inner circles are interlinked, attached, merged. But here, inner circles are different. There is no interlink between these two. Why? Because there is no relation between cars and bicycles. But these two comes under a category called vehicles. That is the outer line. That is outer circle. Hope you understand that each category, each word we are representing with each circle. Clear? Now, see. So the next one, females, athletes and graduates. Females, athletes and graduates. Females means woman, girl, lady. Now, athletes. Athlete means players like runners, long jump players, high jump players. The different athletic games are there. No? Those who play those kind of athletic games, they are called athletes. Next, graduates. Graduates means degree holders, educated people. Now see the interlink. Is there any interlink between among these three? No? Yes? 100% yes. See, all the three are interlinked. See here, all the females, I mean, see, generally females can be athletes and graduates. A athlete can be a graduate and female. A graduate can be an athlete and female. Clear? So all the three are interlinked. So all the three circles must be interlinked. So how this will be? See, this is one circle. Let it be female, and let take another circle. Let it be graduates, and take another circle. Let it be athletes. Clear? So three circles must be interlinked with each other. See, this circle is interlinked with both females and graduates. See, this circle is also interlinked with both females and athletes. And females is also interlinked with graduates and athletes. So this diagram is clear. Yes, this is the right one, but you must not bring all the athletes and graduates under females. Maybe you may think that I will take a big circle, sir. So this is called female, and in that there is graduates, and then there are athletes. So is this circle is right? This diagram, Venn diagram? No, this is obviously wrong. This one is right. Why? Because see, you are bringing entire graduates and entire athletes under females. No, there are males and even there are transgenders in athletes and graduates. So that's why we must not bring the total category under females. We have to bring only the interlink or the just relation among these. Clear? Now, the next question. Shirt, white and hair. Shirt, white and hair. See, is there any relation between these three? Among these three. See, for example, if I ask for two, then I have to call it as between. I am asking more than two, so that's why it is called as among. Is there any relation among these three? No, no relation. Shirt can be white, sir. Shirt can be black, sir. That is different. See, one is color, one is shirt, another one is hair. Is there any relation? No. If there is no relation for the three diagrams, you have to draw three different diagrams which is not touched or not inside or outside of the diagram. So that's why three are different. One is shirt, so one is white and one is hair. No interlink. This is the perfect diagram. So you can draw the same diagram in this way also. Anyway, up to your wish, but that must not be attached to each other. So there is no connection for the circles. Either this one is right and this one is also right. Clear? Please observe that. Yes? Anything? Next. So, did you have any doubt here? No, no doubt. You may think that, sir, white color, shirt may be white, hair also may be white. If in that case, see, you think that this is white among color representation, you are having this option. If you are not having this option, I mean this diagram in the option, then you can move for one more thing. So that I will draw here. So you will take white as the center and hair is white. So hair, and similarly shoes, shirts will be white. So like this also you can draw. When if this is not the case, if this option is not there in your options, then you can move to this. Clear? Yeah. Now, so the next one, animals, cows and cactus. Animals, cows is a domestic animal. Cactus means a plant, needle-like plants, which you found it in deserts. Is there any relation? Yes, easily identifying the relation for animals and cows. See, cows comes under the category called animals. So that's why we will take a big circle. So that will be the animals, and in that cows are there. But what about the cactus? Cactus belongs to the plants category, so doesn't come under animals. So that's why the circle is out of the animals category. This is the right Venn diagram. This is cows. This is cactus. No relation. Clear? The three circles will be like this. Fine. Now see the next one, paper, pen and rubber. Paper, pen and rubber. Any relation? Please see paper, pen and rubber. Paper and pen are used for writing. Okay, those are stationary items. Okay, rubber is also stationary item. Okay, let it be. But is there any word called stationery here? No? Right. So that's why, see, all the three things are different categories. Paper, pen and rubber. You may have doubts, or with the pen you will write on the paper, no sir. You will erase with the rubber, no sir. All the three have interlink connection. No. Will paper be a pen or will pen become a paper? Is it possible? Have you ever had that you make pen with paper? Are using your pen as rubber or eraser? No. So this is not possible. So three are completely different entities. So that's why three different circles with no join. Now see the next one. Organisms, birds, dove. Organisms, birds, dove. Organisms means all living things. All living things comes under organisms, and birds comes under organisms. Now dove come under birds. Now see, that's why, see here, this circle is organism circle, and this circle comes under birds, and in that birds category there is another circle, dove. So three circles, a circle in between circle and circle in between circle. So this diagram is the perfect Venn diagram for these organisms, words and dove, these three words. Okay, please observe this. Clear? It's very easy and simple too. Now the next one, males, brothers and boxers. Again, this is an excellent question. Please see. Males, brothers and boxers. What? It's very clear that brothers and boxers comes under males. And very clearly we can say that all the brothers comes under males. Now what about boxers? Will boxers are males or females? So in the boxers category, there is a chance to be females. So then what we will do? Think a second. We'll give few seconds. Please think of that. Please think. So what is the chance? Shall I say? We know that, say, we'll take males like this, the bigger circle, in that all the brothers comes under males. This is also very clear. All the brothers comes under males. But now see, in the boxers, only few comes under males. Okay, few holds the characters of brother. So that's why some are females are there. So this circle must be out of the diagram, out of the entire diagram, that is boxers. Clear? See, why? Because I bought this circle out of the entire diagram, because boxers, there may be females and males. So that's why. But brothers cannot be females, no? All the brothers comes under males. That's why I bought it in under the male. Now, see the next question. Females, mothers and children. One more easy question. Females, mother and children. See, think. It's very clear that all mothers comes under females. And what about the children? The children come under female or male? Think. Just imagine the diagram in your brain. So what will be the answer? Now, see, females is the bigger category here. You go with females. All the mothers comes under females only. All the mothers comes under females. Now, what about children? Children are categorized into two types, pure males and females. So that's why the children circle will be out. So that this is children. Children, so both male and female are included. So that's why we include half part to the female and the rest will be the male. It's a possibility. Next one. See, painter, scholar and table. Painter, scholar and table. See, the relation. The table is completely different. Only painter and scholar. A painter may be a scholar may be a painter. Clear? So that's why there is only relation between these two, painter and scholar, not related to table. So painter and scholar are related like this. Table is a separate circle, not at all related anywhere. The three circles are represented. Fine? So hope you understand these are all the 10 questions. See, now please observe the diagrams of these 10 questions. See here, this one, two circles attached and one is out. Here, one circle is inside another one and one circle is attached to the outer circle. Same, see here, one circle is attached to the both the circles and outside. Now, all the three circles are one inside another. Here, all the three circles are not interlinked anywhere. Here, see, one circle inside another and one category is completely different from that. Now, see, we discussed two ways. The white is interlinked with shirt and hair color, if this is considered as color, if not in case, so all the three are three different entities. Next, females, athletes and graduates, three are interlinked to each other. We added, we merged the three circles. So this is one model. See here, cars, bicycles and vehicle. The vehicle category, cars and bikes. That means two circles are there in one big circle. So these are the 10 diagrams you have seen till now. Now, let's see the next one. Ready for the next question? Yes. Stationery, pencils and potatoes. Stationery, pencils and potatoes. See, it's very clear, very clear that in stationery, the category stationery, let us take one category. So this circle is called stationery. In stationery there is pencils. All the pencils, pens, erasers, sharpeners, scale, all this comes under stationery. So that's why pen also comes under stationery. But potato is different. Potato is different. So this is the Venn diagram. Next. The next one, universe, stars and sun. Universe, stars and sun. We all know that sun is a star. All the stars are there in entire universe. Simple. The outer circle will be universe. The inner circle will be stars. That inner circle will be sun. So universe, stars and sun. Three circles. This is the Venn diagram for these words. Okay. It's very easy. It's becoming easy by practicing only. I have to practice more. Then you can easily identify this. Next, sea, fish and boat. Is there any interlink? Sea, fish and boat. See? Sea, fish, boat. On sea, there will be boat, okay. Fishes are there in sea, okay. Now, please think, imagine that. Sea, fish and boat. Clear? Did you imagine any diagram? Now, see, sea, fish and boat. See, sea will be the common one. This is sea. Let it be, one is fish and one is boat. So why? Because see, few boats will travel on sea and few fishes will be in sea. Because there are river fish, lake fish, so all these are the different kinds of fish are there, but we have to attach only sea fish. So that's why few fishes are attached to sea and few boats are attached to sea. Clear? Next, tennis fans, cricket players and students. So how we will interlink this? All the tennis fans can be cricket players. Yes. All the cricket players can be students. No? Yes or no? There is a possibility here. See, students can be cricket players and tennis fans. Tennis fans can be cricket players and students. See, cricket players can be tennis fans and students. So that's why the three are interlinked. When three are interlinked, we will get a circle like this. Tennis fans, cricket players and students. Got it? Do you understand the relation? See, here tennis fans, few are cricket players and few are students. Among students, fewer tennis fans and fewer cricket players. Among cricket players, fewer tennis fans and fewer students. Right? So this is the right diagram. Now see, table, chair and furniture. Table, chair and furniture. It's very, very clear. Furniture is the outer line. This is furniture. Among the furniture, table and chair different. One is table, another one is chair. That's it. Clear? Furniture. Among the furniture, table, chair comes. But see, chair doesn't come under table. Table is different, chair is different. Remember that. Now see, earth, sea and sun. Earth, sea, sun. Please identify. Sun is different, not at all related to earth and sea. Sea related to earth. So sea is there on earth. That's why we consider a circle as earth. In that we will take another circle as sea. The outer one will be the sun. Clear? You understand? The Venn diagram is clear. One more thing, in the options you will not having these words E, S, sun. You will be having only circles only. Next, shark, whales and turtles. Shark, whales and turtles. Any relation? All the three lives in oceans, seas. That's another thing, but sea or ocean is not there here. Only shark, whales and turtles are there. Now identify which one. Any relation? So sharks cannot be whales, whales cannot be turtles, and turtles cannot be sharks. So there is no interlink. So that's why three circles are different. So sharks, whales and turtles. There is no attachment or connection anywhere among these three circles. So this one is the right Venn diagram for those words. Next, sister, mother, brother. Sister, mother, brother. Please see. Mother and sister belongs to female category. There will be some relationship. Brother is completely different category. Imagine, just imagine. I will draw the answer. Take few seconds. Think. You need to think the relation. See, so there is a possibility of being sister and mothers. Sister can be mother, a mother can be a sister. I mean, to some other person. Clear? My mother is mother to me, and my mother is sister to my uncle. Right? I mean, her brother. So that's why there is a possibility of sisters being mothers, but complete brother is a different concept. This is the diagram. Brother. This circle can be also drawn here, but there must not be any attachment. Sister and mother. Clear? Next. Fruit, red shirt. Fruit, red shirt. The same thing already we have considered. See, if we consider this red as color, we will take the red here and red color shirt. This is color and red fruit. Red fruit. So we'll get like this. If this option is not there among the four options, then please go for one thing that three circles are different. Fruit, red and shirt. Most probably you will be having this diagram in the options if you get this kind of questions. If not in case, the second one is this. Okay? Don't worry, you will not get both the options. If you get both the options, then choose for this. Interlinked one only. So the last question of the class. See, insects, flies and dogs. Very clear, all the flies comes under the category of insects and dogs comes under animals, but animals are not there here. So that's why insects is a big circle. In that there will be a small circle flies and dog is different. This is the diagram. Okay. Please see, observe that. Clear? So hope you understood all these 20 diagrams. In the next class, I will explain you few more. Now, I will give you a small work. See, Give three letters for this Venn diagram. So write your comment here. So three letters. The letters must be, the words must be represent this diagram. So what is this diagram? See, the center one is representing to the other two each. But these two must not be any relation. Only one must contain relation to the rest of the two. So give your example the down. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you so much. Observe the diagram. In exam, you will get questions like this. In the next video, I will explain these questions for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Watch the next video.